Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious recipe from Chittagong, a region in Bangladesh. This mouth-watering dish goes by the name kalavuna, but don't worry. If you can't pronounce it, just focus on cooking and enjoying it. Our kalavuna recipe features an amazing combination of beef, cooked in a tantalizing blend of spices. Trust me, your taste buds will be in heaven. So, let's get started. First, chili powder and some different types of dashi masala. Give your beef a good massage with this flavorful mixture. This will ensure that every bite is bursting with flavor. Next up, prepare onion fry and keep it for a while. Once ready, cook both the beef and dashi masala together. I will share the dashi masala item if you need, using either our favorite methods or whatever works best for you. And there you have it, a hearty meal that's perfect for any occasion. So there you have it, my friends, a taste of Chittagong right in your kitchen. Thank you for joining me today on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious dishes from around the globe. Happy cooking!